All right. Welcome to the farm, baby. Hell yeah. Look at that beautiful Balcon Babe over there. All right, so me and the Balcon Babe, we were talking about colors. So what the color is scheme so far is going to have this all black. All of these bamboo is going to be black. All of the bamboo is going to be black here. It's going to be black here, black here, black here. It's going to be black here on the tip. But then we're going to do the stairs. The stairs, it's all going to be stained. So then the decking is going to be stained as well. So it's going to look pretty good. The trim on the corners and the trim on the doorways and the windows, those are going to be black as well. So this is going to all be stained here. The walls are going to all be stained, but all the trim around the windows and the doors and the stairs are all going to be black. So it's going to look pretty good. Let's see what they got going on the inside here, okay? All right, let's try this again. All right, now for the colors up in here, she wants this to be black only. She wants the cross beams to be white. She wants it to be white. But what's going to happen is here, we're going to paint her cupboard white. The paneling that's going to be in the bedroom side, that's going to be white. But when you look on the inside, the backing board to the shelves here, that's going to be white. The frame's going to be white. But then the shelves, those are going to be stained. So those are going to be stained. Those are going to be 6 inches wide. There's probably going to be like maybe 10 of them in there. Other than that, let's see what they've got going on today. They're adding their cross beams up. You see? So they're adding their cross beams up now. They're doing that every 4 this way, and then every 2 this way. And if you notice it, there's a gap in between the original roof and that. See that little gap? All that's going to retain the heat. You see, so it's a very smart way of them doing it. And then you got Papa Boy over here. Yes. You got JoJo number 2. Good morning. And then where's that JoJo number 201 over there, huh? Where's he at? Hey, oh gosh, lugging shit again. Look at it. Every time I get that son of a bitch, he's lugging shit. What the hell you lugging now, JoJo? Oh my goodness. All right. So this is where we are. The color coordination inside the house is going to be really simple. The walls, all the walls and the ceiling, they're going to be white. But the molding is going to be stained. The corner pieces, because see, the paneling will only go up to here, and you're going to have an exposed piece of wood here. So we agreed that we're going to stain that as well. The bottom molding on the floor, that's all going to be stained. The floor is going to be stained. But again, the door trim, that's going to be black. Again, the door trim is going to be black. The window here, we're figuring it out, but I think that's going to be black as well. We don't know yet, but we'll go. The beams in the middle, yep, those are going to be stained. The only one that's not going to be stained is this one. That's going to be white, and that's because it's all part of the cabinet that she's got going on over here. Let's go see what the Balcon Baby's doing now. Hello, beautiful Balcon Babe. Do you have any comments or questions you want to make? Nothing? Nothing at all, huh? All right. So this is where we are, my friend.